Hey everybody. Okay, so everybody in my house is asleep, but I finished this up and I had to just get this video going so I could start putting all this stuff out. Now, this is a little out of my norm, but I just, I loved it. This is Magnolia Lane, and I can't tell you who made it because I used the cover, and then my son, it was trash night, and my son threw it away. But in the materials list, I show it to you, so you guys will be able to see it. But isn't it pretty? I love it. I just love it. And this, I don't normally do flowers and stuff like that, but so anyway, and then I embossed the sides, the spine part, brought this down. Also have a nice charm. So I have, come here. I have a tassel, and I have a flower and a white key. And let's see if I can open this up with one hand. I put a picture in there. I made a little, where are you? A little butterfly from the paper and put a pearl in there, and then put some glue, glossy accents in there. And it's just on a little metal piece. I've got a heart with some diamonds. This is an old brooch. No, yeah, thing you wear around your neck. And then I've got a little, and that is actually a black stone, not blue. It's showing up blue, but it's black. That's a little angel, and then, oops, upside down butterfly. So that's on my cover. And then this is the back. I've put more of the lace there, and then just this little piece back here. All right. So let's get into this puppy so you can see what else I've got going on in here. Okay, make sure I'm in the center. I'm going to untie the beautiful ribbon. Okay, and open it up. And this goes like this. Okay, so there we go. Got a nice tag. These are some wooden butterflies, you know, pre-die cut butterflies, and I just took some Prima wax and colored them up a little pink, and so they wouldn't be brown. And then some patchwork here, and I just left the front totally empty for a beautiful big picture. And then we have an opening here. And this is a picture frame, and you pull the tag out. Got two little tags here, some lace, and I've got some tags here, and they are trying to get my fingers in there. There we go. They're just a little bit of patchwork, and then I've got lace, and I've got the little I cannot remember what the heck these things are called. I will fuss with that later. Okay, and then here in the center is a open file-like folder with a huge tag, and then a little tag for writing information on. And then it opens up here, and this is open underneath this, so you can slide a nice big picture in here, or a couple, and then you've got a picture here and a picture here. And this is closed. This is you can go underneath it a little bit, but it's raised up off the paper, and it's closed. Okay, so there is that front page. There is an opening here. I did not put anything in because these pages are fat enough. I couldn't stop myself. But there is, you can slide pictures or whatever you'd like in there. A couple more tags with a very small belly band and a little bit of lace there, and a stopper here, and then a place for a nice picture here and here, and of course on your tags. Flip this open, and this is a little envelope, and I put a little card in there with a little butterfly on it, and that just slides right in and places for pictures and for writing. This is, well, let me show you this. Here's a good place for a picture. You pick this up. If you pull this out, it's so you can put your picture on there, and it just goes right back in, and then another little tag up for a pocket in the back behind the photo frame. And that's that page. And then I've got some brads through the entire book, so it helps hold these pages together. Here is the next page, and these are all magnetically closed. And we've got another little pocket with some lace and a little tag there. Beautiful spot for picture. And then here, open this up, magnet closure, and we've got picture waterfall. So that's quite a few pictures in there for that. It's all about getting the pictures in here, isn't it? Now here is a pocket and tag, and this is, I braided some of the paper, so it gives it really nice texture, but it is all braided. Let me see if I can pick that up so you can see it a little better. Yeah, there you go. Really pretty. I like that. Okay, and then here we have more spots for pictures, writing, and a little tag. Another big spot for pictures, a little bit of lace down here at the bottom. So that is the front of that page, again opening on all of them. And then we have a nice spot for picture. Another little patchwork. Another nice spot for picture, and I have, oh, let me find a little piece of something. I have these here opened up so you can stick your picture up underneath them, and then there's a little tag in there as well. And then here you turn this, and you've got more pictures. Lots of 4x6 picture spots, lots. And then this, there is no tag in this one, but it is a photo frame. Okay, close that. There's more of my brads. This one opens this way, and then there's these two, just great for pictures. And then here, and this has a very large, nice tag inside here. And then you're going to open this up, and there's two tags here, and they're both basically the same, except one's shorter and one's longer. So they're, again, just kind of a patchwork dealio. And then here, this opens up, it's magnetically closed, and we have more spots for pictures. Just using some of the cards that came in the set. They're also very pretty. Okay. And then this is a belly band, and you've got a nice large tag there on the belly band. Okay, so that is that page. Magnetically closed. Again, an opening there. Then we have this flap, and there's a couple of tags in there, and then that keeps that closed. Oh, that keeps that closed. Sorry, I keep forgetting that I've got it kind of a tight shot. And then a place, this is just decoration. You could put a picture over it, but who'd want to do that? Okay, and then this opens up, and you have 3 nice pockets. another tag, and another tag, and they all go down to the bottom. And we've got another one of these with some lace. Still can't remember what the heck you call it. A tag here, a tag here, and these ladies. This is not part of, this was a Dreams Etc., I believe. It was one of her printables, but I just wanted a few other little things, so I did attach that. Again, more of my this hurt my fingers, but boy, it's worth it. I just really love that. And then this is the last page, and we're going to open this up, and when we have a nice pocket here with a tag to write a really nice story on. We've got a little belly band, and this is a little tuck spot here with places for pictures. And we've got a tag here, and this is their main picture. Then we have a flap and a nice big spot here for pictures, and you can put more in these pockets than I have, but I've got that down the center so you can't see it when the flaps close. There we go. Okay, and then this pulls out, and you can put a picture on there with nice acetate. And then this opens up, and you have a place here for a picture, place here for a picture, here, and then another waterfall. Have you ever seen so many waterfalls in an album? This is loaded for pictures, just space after space after space. I love it. And then that gets closed up magnetically. And we have this. So this is patchworky. And then a nice place here for photos. A attached flap here. And then there is a big tag, a medium-sized tag, and then two smaller tags. So these go all the way through. And then the back piece is probably my favorite. I used the Tim Holtz butterfly edge, and I was really running out of paper when I did this, so, but I think it turned out really nice. I've got framed in picture placements for these, and if I had these, I would just cut and put the pictures right into the center, you know, I don't know. And then this with my little squares, I just love that. And then you open it up, and we've got a little tuck spot here, a place for a photo, and another tuck spot here, a place for a photo. And then these here, just something cute, write a story on there, whatever. And this tag holds this one down. And did I leave that a tuck spot? No, I glued that down. And then you've got this one and this one, and there's a little tuck spot there, and then a nice place here for a photo. So you close that back up, close that back up, wrong way, and close that back up, and it's magnetically sealed as well. And that is it, guys. Now this sucker is chunky. It is really chunky, but there is so many places for photos in here. Now I do have the size. It's 7 by 9 by 3 1/4 spine, and I did do centimeters for the main build of this. So you guys that do centimeters, you may, you know, that might be nice for you. It's 17.7 by 22.9 by 8.5 centimeters. So that is it, guys. I have a tutorial to follow, so if you would like to see how I did all of this, or even see how I did parts of it, I'm trying to upload, and I should have Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays should be the days that I will upload for the videos. So keep an eye out for them. Maybe hit that notarize button or whatever on the subscribe so you can tell when I get these up. It's sometimes so funky getting stuff done, but I just wanted to have this a quickie and let you know. I'm so excited. So you guys have a great night. I hope that you will join me in making this, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that's the kind of content you want to see. I'll talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and craft your way. Bye.